What's up everyone, Trent here at Precision Transmission. We've got a 2006 Chevy Colorado in the shop today. We've got everything marked, ready to go. I've got some exhaust already taken off of this thing. This thing came in because it was leaking out of the front. Until it's been leaking obviously quite a while. But we're having an issue with this thing. Let me get the camera up in this hole. I've only taken one converter bolt out, and your flex plate and the converter have already tried to separate. That's not normal because I haven't popped it at all, and I've already tried to pop it towards the crank, towards the front of the transmission or to the motor, and it hasn't done anything. It won't move, or it won't go into the tranny either. So that could be possibly why we are leaking out of the front. So stay tuned on that one, because I've only got one converter bolt out. That thing should be pretty tight together, not trying to separate from each other already. So we got our converter bolts out. Went to go check the U-joint. I think that one is a little dry there. You know, about to go dry, but this one right here, it didn't want to come off. Let's see. Oh, well, what's left of it is in there. Yeah, we just put that back on. Yeah, something like that. We'll be replacing that most definite. Probably gonna be checking all the others. If that one looks that bad, I can tell you that. So stay tuned to those. And then, so on our converter, so we definitely found the problem. Let's see if I can show you. We've got all these converter bolts out, and we've got this thing popped into our flex plate and crank. This thing should not be wobbling in the crank. Something on our hub on the converter is messed up, which means that's what made our transmission leak out the front, because the only thing that was keeping it spinning in a circle was the torque converter bolts. Well, if you look at that flex plate, that thing's thin, so that thing's gonna wobble, do all kinds of things, and it's only gonna last so long. And that's why we have it leak out of the front. So this one's gonna be real interesting to get out and see what the converter, and gonna be real interesting. So y'all stay tuned, let's see what's in the pan. Yep, Houston, I think we've got a problem. I think it's been hot once or twice. Probably twice. I mean, you just got metal about to drip off of that bolt. That looks cool. I can get a good focus on it. I shake too much, so that's pretty good. But the filter, I mean, it is black. It don't even look black, but it's black. Wow. Pretty crazy. Gonna be another good one. Can't wait to get it out. Hurry up, Trent. Well, we definitely found the problem. We got the transmission out. I'm thinking the converter is good. Everything, well, converter's not good because the tranny's bad because it's fried. But our problem is not the two bolts in the flex plate. Come on, figure it out now. Yeah, they changed the motor and they put a standard motor in this thing when it needed an automatic. So our piece here won't even go into our crank because you got the bearing there for your standard transmission. But even if you take that out, you're in trouble because the hole is too big. Wow. Well, we always get to the bottom of it. Never know how, when, where, but we'll get to the bottom of it. So, y'all guys need anything at Precision Transmission, y'all give us a call. Y'all have a great day.